that shit, chat. They won't let me flip it, chat. Oh yeah, I did. You're right underneath the motherfuckers. You see that shit, chat? You're right underneath the motherfuckers. Look at that shit, chat. That's a whole bunch of Americans right over here. They got John Cougar Mellencamp. And stay right through front yard. I can't even look. There's people on the floor. I can't even. Hey, America, something to see. Oh, I ain't never seen one like that. For you and me. For you and me. America. With me. America. You know about that Johnny Cougar fire, Mellencamp Thunderbird. Oh, see that shit, chat? Oh, look at that shit, chat. Right underneath the motherfucker. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh. You're right underneath the motherfucker. Right underneath the motherfucker. I can feel the singe from the top of the motherfucker hitting me in the face, chat. Oh, you see that shit, chat? You see that shit, chat? And all people doing TV, no. And vacation down on the south of Mexico. That's Johnny Cougar, goddamn Mellencamp. I don't know. Oh, it's almost like it's following me. Oh. Look at the speckles. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. I see them shit, chat. No money free, yeah. They'll make house for you and me. Oh, for you and me. Oh, shit. Oh. I'm like right underneath. I could feel the singy rain hit. I'm like right underneath. I could feel the singy rain hit me in the face. Really, I'm just trying to move my car. Oh, the road isn't like that anymore. There's so much in the sky. This nigga's following me. Oh, ain't that America? You ain't that America? Something to see, yeah. Oh, that one like a heart. Y'all see that shit, chat? Chat, do y'all see that shit? Y'all ain't fucking with our fireworks, chat. Y'all ain't fucking with our fireworks, chat. But with their fireworks. You know, I don't like fireworks. Let me show you. Oh! See, a lot of red, white, and blue shit going on. See that shit, chat? Chat, y'all got them things going on by y'all, chat? Going on by us? Well, not by me, where I'm at right now. illegally grab my car real fast. I could probably on the back of the road. You know what I'm saying, Chet? I had to grab my car. I figure, you know, I see some fireworks. Oh look, 12 with the festivities. I never seen USA on the cop car. Be cool for that. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Y'all see that shit, right, chat? Oh, get the fuck out the way. I'm trying to get some of my car. See, we in the regular street. Oh. Y'all see that shit, chat? Y'all see the fireworks and such. They moved down. I mean, it's almost about the, unless there's, I don't think it's the people this way. But yeah, chat. If I could turn my camera around now, because now you can see me in the background of the fireworks, because it's behind me now. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, chat. You're in the middle of the motherfucking street with it, chat. Well, I know ain't no cars coming from that way, because, you know, the road is shut down. Oh. Looks like it's a finale. It's like a finale going on back there, chat. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. But I gotta go get my car. That's why I rock back here. I get off at 11 o'clock. See, you know, I had to go grab my rod real fast, chat. Sounds really nice out here. Got that shit going on. Got the they just letting them fly now. They just letting them fly now, chat. Y'all see that shit, chat? Oh. It's the it's the production values on the on those fireworks there. Obviously, seeing what you're gonna see from the festivities and all of that. All like my red. I see that shit, chat. Look behind me. I see it all behind me. Shit is nice. Excuse me. Fucking weirdos. You know they're gonna be weird. Oh, I want to put my dick directly in front of your dick. Because you know, that's what they do. That's how they get down. But you see the festivities, chat. Red, white, and blue all over your motherfucking ass. Shout out to my brother, Sergeant in the army. You know. Yeah. Y'all see that, chat? It's behind me. And this is actually supposed to be legal out this motherfucker. You see it. See that shit, chat? See that shit, chat? Yeah. Fireworks going on. 4th of July. Whole lot of American shit. You know what I'm saying? Whole lot of See, now we getting into the regular street again. Oh, they gonna fuck up my lot, chat. You can see it beyond the trees just a little bit, chat. Damn, they're messing us up a little bit. I can't see it. Oh, there we go. See? Yeah. Sound like somebody flat tire. Somebody got a flat tire around this motherfucker. I don't even care about his fireworks, you know what I'm saying? Everybody fireworks. Nah, I wanted to see it. That's why they behind me like that. Boom. got some gusto to it, boy. Ain't them boys smoking out here. They find out that boy got the gas out here. That's so hilarious. Just ride by. Just ride by. Boy, get the fucking gassy gas out here. Y'all see that shit, chat? Got the fireworks out. How y'all doing? This is station 23. We ain't go nowhere, chat. 23. We ain't go nowhere, chat. I parked all the way station 26. That's a long walk, chat. But you can still see the fireworks in the background. You can hear them. Ooh. You can hear them echoing down the block. Crash, 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 crash. You can hear them echoing down the block. Oh, it's a car behind me. You don't want to get hit by a car. Trying to show off the festivities and all that. For the chatting now. Okay, this car damn sure coming slow. I wanted to hurry up. You're not messing up my life. The car trying to mess up my life, chat. L pickup truck. Trying to fuck up my life. L pickup. Yeah, you see that shit, chat. The festivity. You know what I'm saying? L pickup. Yeah, you see that shit, chat. The festivity. You know what I'm saying? The festivities, chat. The festivity. It's so loud. But yeah, I wasn't gonna take that long ass walk when it's time for me to go. But at least I won't have to walk back. I could drive back. That's a very good thing. You know? Fireworks over my head. I feel fireworks in the atmosphere. You know what I'm saying? It's love, love, love. Zone. We in a zone out here, chat. We out here, chat. Look. I was right underneath them fireworks. You don't even know. I was right underneath them. But I had to keep going because I only came out here to get my car. See, now we at station 24, which means I'm getting even closer to my ride. You can see the fireworks and shit behind me. Station 24. Station 26 is where my car is. I'm gonna go grab that real fast. I only got 5%, so you know y'all getting y'all ass off my phone real soon. I just wanted to show you the festivities, that's it. That must be the finale, chat. That must be the finale, chat. Wow. That must be the finale, chat. That must be the finale, chat. Wow, that was crazy, wasn't it? That was crazy. That last little flurry at the end. Yeah, I think that's it, chat. That's it, chat. Man, that was a good display of fireworks, man. They had a whole gambit out there. Most of them shits out there had polo. Wow, man. Yeah, man, that was crazy, man. That was great. Great fireworks. I can still hear fireworks going on. Oh, that's probably from Isle of Palms. Isle of Palms probably got their own fireworks set up, but you know. Alright, it's time for me to, cause I ain't got too much battery. And I'm gonna need my battery when I go home. You know, cause I couldn't tell you where the fuck I'm at, man. I could have been anywhere. I know it's a beach out here. And it's a lot of pretty white ladies, and that's about it. And that's all. It's not you know, that's about it. I'm walking down here towards my car. About to go get my car so I can park over there by the job site. Get my money from there. fucking leave. And, you know, that's it. That'll be good for me. But I love you guys, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you wash your ass, wash your face. Don't use the same rag that you wash your ass with to wash your face. That's how you get the Star Crunch, you hear me? I'm trying to help you out. I love you, all right? Get your money, brush your teeth, drink plenty of water because it's hot, you know, and enjoy your life. You know what I'm saying? Enjoy your life if you don't do nothing else. It's DJ the God. You already know. I love you stinking motherfuckers, you know, and fuck you. Enjoy your night, you know? Get off my live. Get off my screen.